Today, join us on the incredible journey of how KitKats are made in one of the world's largest chocolate factories, where over 8 million KitKats are made every day. In 1935, amidst the historic streets of York, England, a major turning point in the confectionery industry was born. Rowntree's, a big name in the industry, introduced a new product called Rowntree's Chocolate Crisp. Little did anyone know, this was the beginning of a legend. In 1988, when Nestlé took over Rowntree, the product was renamed KitKat, marking an important milestone in history. With its distinctive flavor and creativity in each chocolate bar, KitKat quickly captured the hearts of millions of chocolate lovers around the world, becoming an irreplaceable global icon. Now, let's take a look at the entire process of making a KitKat chocolate bar. Have you ever wondered what makes KitKat so appealing? Beneath the iconic red packaging lies a painstaking and meticulous manufacturing process. KitKat has an intricate process of making where every crispy wafer bar is meticulously made from start to finish. On the lush green cocoa farms of West Africa, each ingredient is carefully selected with care and consideration. This not only ensures taste, but also promotes sustainability and supports local communities. In July, when the cocoa pods are ripe and glowing under the sun, farmers begin their laborious harvest. They carefully pick each ripe cocoa pod, ensuring that the precious cocoa beans inside are not damaged. Every movement shows respect and pride for the fruits of their labor. After harvesting, the workers skillfully peel the shell, revealing plump cocoa beans, the essence of nature. The cocoa beans are then neatly arranged on large drying sheets under the hot tropical sun. The natural drying process lasts about 8 days. While the beans gradually lose moisture, the outer shell hardens and locks in the special chocolate flavor inside. After drying, the cocoa beans undergo a rigorous quality control process before they are officially shipped to the manufacturing facility. They must pass a number of tests, including moisture content, size, texture, and characteristic aroma. The next step in the KitKat production process is to mix the main ingredients of cocoa, sugar, and milk powder in large industrial mixers. The combination of milk and cocoa creates a rich, creamy taste that pairs perfectly with the crispy wafer. The locally sourced milk supports local dairy farmers and ensures Nestlé can always source the freshest ingredients for their KitKat. The milk is condensed to reduce the water content before being mixed with the other ingredients, creating a uniform, creamy texture. In addition to the main ingredients, vanilla extract enhances the flavor, providing a subtle sweetness. Lecithin, usually extracted from soybeans or sunflowers, is used as an emulsifier to ensure the ingredients are mixed evenly and improve the texture of the chocolate by reducing the thickness. The core recipe remains the same everywhere. However, some regions produce unique KitKat flavors to suit local tastes. For example, Japan has a variety of flavors, such as matcha, milk tea, and strawberry. Despite these regional variations, the main ingredients in the process are always the same. Needless to say, quality control is essential at every stage of production. Each batch of cocoa sugar and milk is tested to ensure it meets Nestlé's strict standards, including testing for purity, moisture content, and overall quality. This process not only ensures the ingredients are evenly mixed, but also creates the characteristic flavor of the chocolate layer. After mixing, the chocolate mixture is transferred to the conching stage. This is an important step in the production of premium chocolate, where the mixture is finely ground through special rollers. During the conching process, chocolate is stirred in large machines at high temperatures. typically 50 to 80 degrees Celsius or 127 to 176 degrees Fahrenheit for several hours. This further refines the texture and enhances the flavor by smoothing out rough bits and allowing volatile acids to escape, helping to reduce bitterness. The grinding time can last from 4 to 72 hours, depending on the quality requirements. The next step in the journey is to create the wafer layer, the foundation that gives KitKat its signature crunch. The main ingredients include flour, sugar, vegetable oil, bicarbonate, and natural additives. These ingredients are carefully measured and mixed in large industrial mixers to create a smooth, lump-free batter. The dough mixture is then transferred to the rolling mills, which are rolled into thin sheets less than 1 millimeter thick. This is one of the steps that requires high precision, because the thickness of the cake will directly affect the feeling when eating. These layers of dough are put into a modern industrial oven. The temperature in the oven is strictly controlled, ensuring that the cake does not burn or lack crispness. Each layer of sponge cake is baked for only about 30 seconds, but this process is enough to create thin, crispy cakes with an eye-catching golden color. After baking, the large wafers are inspected visually or with a state-of-the-art scanning system. Any products that do not meet standards, such as broken or uneven color, are removed before moving on to the next stage. This is an important step to ensure consistency in each KitKat bar. One of the special features of KitKat is the layer of chocolate between the wafer layers. This chocolate layer not only brings flavor but also acts as a glue connecting the cake layers together. The wafers are stacked, alternating with layers of melted chocolate. Each layer of cake and chocolate is spread evenly to ensure uniformity in thickness and flavor. Once the layers are complete, they are gently pressed to create adhesion before moving on to the full chocolate coating step. This is one of the most popular steps in the KitKat production line. The fully combined wafers are placed on a conveyor belt and slowly pass through the chocolate spray system. Here, a warm, liquid chocolate stream is sprayed evenly from above, covering the entire surface of the cake, creating the characteristic glossy shell. Once the wafers are firmly in place, they are coated with another layer of chocolate, completely encasing them. The mold is then gently shaken to remove any air bubbles. The chocolate layer not only adds flavor but also protects the wafers inside, keeping them crispy. The thickness of the chocolate layer is carefully calculated to ensure a balance between the sweetness of the chocolate and the crispness of the wafers. The excess chocolate from the spraying process will be recovered, filtered, and reused, minimizing waste of raw materials. After being coated with chocolate, the KitKat bars are slowly cooled in refrigeration chambers, where the temperature is carefully controlled so that the chocolate hardens evenly, giving it a glossy finish and firm texture. The slow cooling process helps the chocolate to harden perfectly, without cracking and maintaining a smooth, attractive surface. Once the chocolate is hardened, the large KitKat bars are taken to the cutting area. Precision blades cut them into small, uniform-sized pieces. The KitKat bars are then thoroughly inspected using a scanner system to ensure there are no defects in shape, size, or chocolate coating. Bars that do not meet the standards are recycled to make chocolate fillings, ensuring no raw materials are wasted. After inspection, the finished KitKat bars are fed into an automated packaging system. Agile robotic arms place each bar into its packaging. KitKat packaging is not only beautifully designed but also environmentally friendly, made from recycled and recyclable materials. Nestlé has built a solar plant with more than 28,000 panels, generating 10 gigawatt-hours of electricity per year, helping to reduce 6 million kilograms of CO2 emissions into the environment. They are also committed to reducing waste by using eco-friendly packaging, ensuring every KitKat bar delivers joy in a sustainable way. From quality ingredients to cutting-edge technology and dedicated people, every KitKat tells a story of creativity and joy. Thank you for joining me on the journey of making great KitKats. What is your favorite flavor? Or do you have your own unique way of enjoying it? Share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like and share if you find it interesting, and follow me to discover more exciting journeys. See you on the next adventure.